In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Word and Office 365. Keeping your Office applications up to date is important for accessing the latest features, security improvements, and performance enhancements. Microsoft frequently releases updates for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps, so knowing how to check and install them ensures that you're always working with the most reliable version. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once the program is running, click on the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view, where you can manage your documents, settings, and application preferences. From the File menu, select Account, which will take you to the area that displays information about your Office subscription, product details, and update options. In the Account section, look for the Office Updates section. You will see a button labeled Update Options. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with several choices, including enabling or disabling automatic updates and checking for updates manually. To ensure you are using the latest version, select Check for Updates. Word will then connect to Microsoft's servers and verify whether a newer version is available. If an update is found, Office will guide you through the installation process. Depending on your settings, the update may download and install automatically, or you might be prompted to confirm the installation. After the update is complete, it's a good idea to restart Word and any other Office applications to ensure the changes take effect properly. For users with Office 365 subscriptions, checking for updates works in the same way across other applications, such as Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Open the app, go to File, then Account, and click Update Options to check for the latest updates. This ensures consistency across all Office applications, keeping your files and features up to date. Regularly checking for updates not only gives you access to new tools and improvements, but also helps protect your system from security vulnerabilities. It's a simple yet effective step to maintain a smooth and secure workflow in Microsoft Word and the Office 365 suite. By following these steps, you can easily verify that your Office applications are current and ready to perform at their best. Keeping Word and other Office apps updated guarantees that you're using the most optimized and secure version available. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.